Hi, hello. I'm going to go over the executive summary of my company, which is Cooperative Ambato. Well, Cooperative Ambato is a private banking and financial institution whose principal products and services are loans, savings, and investment. So the slogan of the company is supporting your future, which is related to the mission, promote social economic development of society, giving quality financial and product and services. Also, the core values are honestly, respect, teamwork, and transparency. So after all the search and data analysis, the unique value for the companies is to help rural areas make live better by connecting them with the banking system and giving them the economic resources they need to succeed. So for that, it was used the model business canvas from a data course, which also let me get enough data for key activities, key partners, customer relationships, customer segments. So, and those information. So, in the first step, the cooperative 4PS let me create the monetary goals and some strategies it wants to achieve according to the annual memory. So, in summary, this analysis shows the cooperative that strange. It has in rural regions accessibility and give credits to cheap dreams. For weaknesses, the old technology. For opportunities, segmentation of portfolio by age, and also for trades, competition, and cybersecurity problems. So from that, according to the central bank information, the company desires to have a total target of 286 millions with a revenue of 2% more than the financial report shows and have liquidity at the same level of 32%. That is the desired by all the cooperatives that make transaction with money. So also for strategy, we want to have the brand awareness and it present the new marketing strategy by using hashtags and influencer and creating a connection with people with the cooperative that let you dream in the future. And from the analysis, it also shows the need for having a new product called educational credit for people 18 years and above, and also for college and master programs. That according to the data, it has 0% of past due, and there is no competition into this market. So also there is the 5 CS frameworks and some of graphs for the collaborators that the company has. And so the new two strategies are located in the new launch of product. So also in the new strategy of marketing. And finally, for all types of improvements in a company to achieve the desired economic goal or branding, it is necessary to have a positive income statement where this company has enough capital to invest in the marketing strategy, which usually is in my country, Ecuador, market that is 30,000 yearly for also photos, for videos, for uses in billboards, radio, TV, sponsorships, and more adaptation that this could have. Also, what is focused in the influencers, that is 300, like a range between 300 per video or participation in a company publicity. So this amount is possible to cover by the cooperative because it has, according to the balance sheet, 170,000 of profit in the year 2021. So thank you so much for following this new strategy for a cooperative with years of experience that will launch itself into the millennial world to create more value for its brands and also reach more people. So thank you so much.